So first of all, I will send you a script. So let me close everything here. So you need to go here and here, install Jupyter. After installing Jupyter, you can run the script in your computer like that. And if you check your driver, update that driver also from here. You can go to here, go to help, and help about Chrome. It's showing me it's already up to date. So for you, if it's not up to date, it will update it. So after that, you need to launch the first box. This is VPS. If you want, I will send you the access of VPS. You can access that. So let me make a side by side. Okay. So it's open the script. Here is the actual link that is 2 million, and its range is from 1 page to 50 page because the 50 page is for this to 20 million. So run that. After running that, it will collect the link from all page 1 to page last page. And here you can run this box. After this box, here now it's pretty much it's going fast. Fuck man. So okay, so after that we need to launch this, and here is the output file name. Like the output file name is page 1 to page 50. I just set the output file name, and it's starting index. We can like if it stop at after scrapping 50. So we can change the from 0 to start from 50, and it will keep saving the data inside the same file. So you see it's keep loading. The page 5 is keep loading. So just to click here and then it will go to page 6 because already take the links. Same issue is happening on when it's open any one list. It keep loading and loading and keep loading. Uh, Even it's collecting that. So what I'm thinking, the map load, uh, uh, the map is very big. It's makes so much load on the server and the website, so that's why it's taking so much time to loading and loading.